All right. Yo, guys. What's up? How you doing? Something is wrong. Huh. Yo, man. For the moment, nothing. We are in a range and I'm trying to do something something is going wrong. Look, at this moment, that's what we have. The best one is on 30 minutes. I'm waiting for a confirmation on this one right here. If this candle is closing outside of this range, I'm taking a trade. First of all, to fill this week, the candle left behind, and then targeting this right here that I think is on 4-hour. No. Targeting maybe 1 to 2 risk to reward, something like that. But having this candle closure right here is the most important thing at this point. I'm trying to solve something as well. Fuck everything. I don't care anymore. On this live stream, I'm ending the live stream and then I'm doing everything I need to. What's up, guys? Let's see. All right. Waiting for a good retest on this resistance level at this point. Have a beautiful close outside of this range. I'm setting an alert around here if price reaches this point, and then let's go to the daily. Let's see what we see here. All right. What is this? All right. Support, it's here. Resistance, it's here. Everything is great at this point. On 4 hour, a good key level. Yes. Great key level at here on the 4 hour time frame. Beautiful. Maybe we can mark this one right here as a support. I want to see a little bit this candle, how it reacts. 4 hour. Right, I got this alert on the 30-minute time frame. It's a counter trend trade, this one, if we take this one. But I want to see a little bit this 4 hour candle because on 30 it shows us to go with the a bullish move, to do a bullish entry move. But on 4 hour, as we see, the bullish candle is flipping bearish at this point. And it's inside, is coming back inside the range we had on 30. Oh, you mean on the high impact news or what? Yeah, I think you mean about the news. You're talking about the news, yeah. That's why I'm not trading news, man. I'm not trading news. I hate trading news, bro. I hate. I hate. It's the worst thing ever. Trading news. Yesterday I didn't took any kind of trades, and I didn't join the New York session, and this is why, because there weren't some news there. Try to make small cells small I mean a small stop loss next time, man. Try to make to put a tight stop loss. Don't put huge stop losses, and go with the lower lot size on news. Try to go on the lower lot size as you usually do. If you're usually, I don't know, trading with, I don't know, 0.5, lot size, go with 0.2 or 0.15 or 0.3, you know. So you have a smaller lot size, a tight stop loss, and if you're losing the trade on these news releases, it just happens. But you have a smaller stop loss, and you're losing a smaller amount of money, at least. That's the important thing. Sometimes I'm trading the NFP. I hate the NFP trades, but sometimes I'm trading the NFP 1-to-1 risk reward, and I think this is the best one for the news. Join the Telegram app if you didn't join yet. And there you will see everything about the news releases, good setups that are formed, and I'm going to entry, everything. You'll see there everything. Ah, happens. It's normal. It's normal. Of course it's normal, yeah. Understand, man. Yeah. Also, you're a news trader, or are you just gambling on it? you know, because trading news is it's a kind of gambling there. It could be a great setup for 50. Not looking great. 15-minute time frame rejected for this resistance. So I mean, this is a strong resistance level, right? Okay, let me put this level here. Look at, okay, we have 60 pips as the next target. From here down, we have 34. Yeah. It's not looking great. Ranging here as well. Oh, I forgot to do something I talked earlier. Oops. 4-hour support here. That we have. Let's go on 2-hour. Nice. It's great. This is a great range. Once we can break this breakout right here, everything is gonna be perfect. You texted the same thing 2 times? Bro, you just texted the same thing 2 times, buddy. We don't have news either, guys, today. So this is great. Nothing that will have a big influence. We need a good breakout right now. It's hard. It was a good opportunity for an impulse entry, maybe here, maybe, but the price came to the middle of this range. It's hard. It's so hard. We're at the middle of this range. I don't like it. Yeah, I might look for a good good support breakout. I'm looking for at this point. Something like that. Yeah, we need to wait for the London Open candle so we can see a big extension move. We see something, we see some volume, and hopefully we can have a breakout as well. on the London Open candle. You see, that's why it's bad to take any kind of trades from the half of the range, because we don't have a retest on some area, we don't have nothing. At this point, we are trading at the point of control of today's session. Yo, bro, what's my gold view? At this point, I'm waiting for a support breakout. That's what I'm waiting for, but there is no volume. Look at this candle. It's just fighting at this point in this area for the last 10 minutes. Didn't get up higher than this point and lower than this point in the last 10 minutes. Everything else is in the rest of the time. I'm waiting for a support breakout, but we need to wait for the London Open candle. What's your gold view now? Yeah, I think so. The daily bias is saying that. Look at this. from the Asia session. Look at this, and now it's arranging, so I'm thinking that the price will come back down. In the same time, if you look on 4-hour time frame, you have two bearish candles that are not that big right now, so I don't know. These two are not a bearish candle like this one right here, or this one right here, or this one right here, this one, you know. Look at this. This is the last candle, 4-hour candle from yesterday. A little bigger than the other ones, but still little bearish candles. The price can even come up from here, because as we know, when the candles are getting thinner and thinner, usually it means that there is not enough power for the move in that direction. So this can mean also that there is not enough power for a bearish move. This candle as well didn't break the law of the previous candle. There are so many things we can think about at this point, you know. The bias is still bearish, but just saying. There are hundreds of things at this point. These candles have the point of control in the same spot. Okay. Yeah, it's just waiting. It's Friday too, though. So Friday usually the volume is running away, you know, because the market way. This is the first day this is the first day of the weekend for the market makers usually. Most of them are not trading, or if they are trading small amount of money. So this is why usually Fridays are with low volume. Let me look. They were in a sell, of course. Trunks. Let's wait for the London Open candle. Hopefully we can get this trade right here. Good breakout, and let's go with this bias. This bearish bias. Look at this. It's ranging, and now I'm expecting to move down. Yeah, man. The dollar index is looking pretty well. The euro currency is raging, but dollar index looking pretty well. Yeah. Take a look on this though. Pretty well, dollar index at this point. Looking pretty well. Whenever he can do a breakout out of this resistance or the out of this support or this resistance, whenever, and then moving forward. Maybe this one, where this imbalance right here, it will be the target where the price will go next. But the euro is ranging like crazy at this point. Have some raging here. Small candles and ranging. Let me put the volume fixed range here. Yeah, there's nothing to little. There's little to nothing. I mean, to do at this point. Dollar index now starts to range. Old gold fell 0.7% ounce. Prices were up about 1.7%. Futures 0.6. Anyway. Take a look back on 30. We had some great trades this week, but yesterday and I think even today it will be very, very, very hard to find a good trade. Look at this candle, man. The London Open candle. The London Open candle is like a doji candle. That's insane. That's awful.
It's late in the evening, yeah. My mind loud. I'm out in the deep end, yeah. Have so many doubts. On this night, yeah. I came to reason to hold out, to hold out. Only right, yeah. To believe and go all out. Go all out. Tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema, tulema bota, tulema bota.
Still nothing. That's awful at this point. I'm waiting 20 to 30 minutes more, maybe 40, I don't know. And if this will continue like that, everything will continue like that, I'm out. I'm out. We had some good trades this week. Besides yesterday, I took no trades, and I think today is the same shit. It's the same environment if everything continues like that. And that's it. We had some good trades on Telegram. I posted them. Bad day. Really, really bad day. On another point of view, this can be an accumulation, because if you look here, accumulation, reaccumulation, reaccumulation, distribution. I think this is another, this is not a redistribution, it can be an accumulation, so the price can go up from here. It just can. There are so many probabilities at this point. 4 hours, the candles are too little. There are no big candles to make us understand, okay, the bearish the bearish trend is so strong. It's not. And this 4 hour candle didn't broke the previous low of the previous low of the candle. There are hundreds of things right now, and probabilities as well. So it's really hard to know what's happening next, to predict it. Let's say like this. If even if it's not the right word to predict, but I need to go to the barber too today. Fuck, I forget it, man. Fuck it. Okay, okay. We can have a break here. Okay, I took this entry. I don't know if I'm going to take at this point. Maybe waiting for an upper week before. And then let's go with a sell, pending sell. We have a great range too. Yeah, taking it. Oh, it's 7. Right. Done. Let's go. Let's go with this one. Around here, I will take some partials out because price can reject. Not exact here, but around here. Let's see what we can get from here. Oh, beautiful move. Okay. Out. Profits out at this point. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Stop at break even. Right now. Right now. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Break even. Moving this here. Yes. 70% off at this point, and the rest is running. I posted this setup that is going to be this setup will happen like 1 hour and 30 minutes ago, something like that. That's perfect. Finally. Okay, price is still coming down. TP, it's here because we want to fill this wick right here. TP at And let's wait. Break even. Huge rejection here. This is why it's so important to take out some profits. Huge rejection. Still not getting out. Now. Now I'm out. Yeah, now I'm out. I'm out on my broker. I'm out. Good trade though. Good trade. This is a good trade. We were waiting for this move. I said about this move 1 hour ago for who's in the Telegram community. I talked about it. I said it about it on the live stream as well, that this is what I'm waiting for at this point, because we have this daily bias here. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. And everything happened so fast. Like, we had this breakout in the last very few seconds, in the last, I don't know, 10 seconds of this candle, in the last 6 seconds, something like that, because this candle was not showing enough volume for nothing, you know? So everything really played out perfectly. Perfect. Everything played out perfect. It's so satisfying, man, that the setup you're waiting for so long, it finally moves in the direction you want it to be. If it was, I don't know, maybe Wednesday, Tuesday, even Thursday, I don't know, and not Friday, this could hit the take profit for sure. There is not enough volume on Fridays usually. This really could hit. Don't tell me that this candle is trying to close back in the range. This is insane. Beautiful trade. Let's see. Maybe we can find another great setup right now. A quick one. Oh, before this trade I was talking about, I need to go to the barber today. It's every week on Friday I'm going. Let me see at what hour, cause I forget. Oh, in exactly 1 hour. Okay. I want to see in the last 2 minutes how this candle is closing, and then I'm out. If this candle is closing in a beautiful way inside the range, back into the range, I will think about a fake out setup. This is a huge rejection week from the down of this uh support level. Let's see. Let's see how this candle is closing. It's very important to know how this candle is closing. We finally have some. Still no. Have nothing. That's not nothing. Dollar. Yeah, that's it for today. Great setup. Took a really great setup. This was the great movement we waited for today. A great trade with fast profits. Then the price turned back into the break even, but we don't care. We predicted it, or we said it on the live stream. We posted it on Telegram community. So we really knew we were really talking about this shit. That's the part. That's the good part of it. That's the good part. We had some great trades this week, guys. Some great trades. Some really great trades this week. Wednesday we had like 2 great trades. Even in the I don't remember. Monday or Tuesday we had some other good trades. So this is a great trade. This is a great trading week. Even yesterday we didn't took nothing, because we had no confirmation. We had the Fibonacci tool that suggested for us that is going to be a great buy, but that's not enough. This is not enough. Yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this, and join Telegram community so you will not miss nothing. All right, all the great setups, everything. We will not miss nothing. Just join there, and maybe see you next week. I don't know, because I will be in holidays for around 2 weeks in Greece, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing the live streams, but for sure on my Telegram community I will post great setups. I will post everything there. Everything will be there. Everything will be there 100%. I don't know if I'm going to live stream the next 2 weeks. Thank you, guys.